Hey there, I hope you are having a good day. Today it's the 14th of August and today I need to submit two of the features of our Afrocom. The features, as you can see under our contract, are leaflet map integration and also leaflet map geolocating, which means that we have to integrate leaflet maps under our Afrocom application, and also I need to locate the user location, that is geolocating, right? And the date of what is 14th of August and also 14th of August. So I have done the work. So let me show you about what the work that I have done so far. Okay, so here you can see I have got the leaflet integration done. For the leaflet integration, I have used the pattern of MVP, that is model, view and controller, and also I have got some additional files under my build.gradle file. These things will be making the integration of our leaflet more solid and more dynamic. Right, now the second thing is about geolocating the users. Now here you can see I have got three different buttons for current demonstration, that is about getting current location coordinates, current location address, and also animating to our current location. So first of all, if I simply tap over current location, that is get current location coordinates, you can see I will be getting the following mockup of fetching current coordinates, and I will be getting the current location coordinates, that is latitude and longitude. After that, if I tap over current location, you can see I will be getting the following pop-up, and also it will be fetching my current location, which is in California, Santa Claus, USA, etc. Right, so both of these features are done for getting the current coordinates and current location. Now let's try to navigate the user to his current location's address. So here if I simply say animate to home, it will be scanning the location of the user, and it will be successfully moving its camera to the location of the user, that is his home address. Also I have got the following location bar, that is my home icon, to locate where the particular user's proper address is, like his coordinates, address and etc. Right, so both of these features are done, in which we are able to animate the user's location and all that stuff. Now we can also do one thing, that if I tap over any other particular second location, if I tap here and long press over it, you can see I will be getting the location of it, right? California, Santa Claus and etc. Right, now I will be getting the country, the state and also the country code for now. But if I open my code and if I make it big, alright, let's make it big here and let's make it big here. Now if I open my debug console, and here you can see I will be getting the entire data of the user of the particular address. If I say over this location, you can see I will be getting a different address, right? I will be getting a different address. First of all, I was getting an address of Google building. After that, I am getting an address of Charleston and Landings. Now, with the help of this, we will be able to decode the entire user address or all its data. That is street, ISO country code, postal address, and etc. All the data of the user, right? So I have done with this custom logic of mine, so that you will be able to geolocate the entire user data, his country, his locality, his street address, etc. and etc. Right. Also, with the help of this button of animate to home, the user can locate his current location, and with the help of that, he will be able to get his current location. Right. Now, these are the fundamental features of Afrocom, that is getting the location of the user and also posting a similar post, that is some relevant post over to the particular location. Now, I have done all the stuff that I have promised so far. You can see under our agreement, we have got the leaflet integration done, leaflet maps geolocating done. Now the second topics are about uploading the post and etc. This is going to be huge, right? I have built the fundamentals of Afrocom. Now only thing is remaining is about uploading the current post and showing the current location. So far now, if I get the show current coordinates, I will be getting the current coordinates of the user, and also over tapping over get current location, it will be getting current location of the user. Now with the help of this custom code, you will be able to geolocate the particular user and also take his entire data, whatever we need. First of all, address, street, ISO number, country, postal code, on all of these data, and add this under our database. Right, now this was all the tasks that I have performed so far, that is geolocating the user address, geolocating his country, etc. and etc., his coordinates, his current location, animating our entire camera to his current location, and also a solid integration of leaflet. So the more things are remaining are about uploading the post category and etc. This is going to be huge, and I will be delivering the next deliverable on 18th of August. Have a good day.